Suites Aruba time. We'll see you when we get there, and then we have all these great adventures and information to share with you, so please stay tuned, and just thank you for joining. Okay, folks, we've just arrived at the Embassy Suites by Hilton here in Aruba.
Let's talk about the pool and surrounding areas in the back of the hotel here that's closest to the beach. So the one large pool is plenty of space for the whole family, for everybody in the resort. We have not seen this pool packed at all. It's been fairly empty. There's lots of little nooks and crannies on each side, little steps that are about a foot deep around the edges. The main part of the pool is actually 4.5 feet deep. So for the little kids, they might need a life vest or something like that to keep them up, but they also have free pool floaties and pool noodles that they will give you. You can sign out under your room. Towels and beach chairs are also available. Umbrellas are also available. You can take them and you can go down to the beach that's down there. That particular beach, it's not the best beach in the world. I believe they're doing some construction there. They're trying to make it better for the guests of this hotel, and then the DV Phoenix, which is over there as well. They share a mangrove in between. There is a hot tub here that's massive and very, very hot, which is good for a hot tub. And then they also have a little kids pool that's about a foot deep as well for the little ones if you're traveling with them. Another thing to mention, the pool has a lot of loungers and cabanas, all free. Just come down, bring your towel down. We've never felt the rush to come down and drop your towels down at 6 a.m. We've always found the exact chair and lounger that we wanted. So coming into the room directly on your left, you have a small sink, microwave, coffee maker, ice bucket, 2 complimentary bottles of water, and coffee and sugar and creams for the morning. Also a mini fridge here for you, totally empty, so you can put your bottles of water or any beverages you get from the marts or the grocery store. Nice little smart table here with comfortable chairs. You have a pull-out couch living room with a coffee table, a nice little area rug, and a pull-out couch there. The living room has the other TV for the room, another 43-inch flat screen with some storage space underneath it. The single sink vanity has plenty of counter space with a magnifying mirror and lights inset in the wall mirror as well. The shower in this room has grab bars on either side, a little bench, a rainfall shower head, and also the handheld as well. Plenty of space in this shower. and the king size bed in the master bedroom with dual lights on each side. The plugs have USB ports, 2 USB ports on either side. On the other side of the bed, there is a huge, I think 43-inch flat screen TV, a full-size mirror. On this side here, you have access to the bathroom, and then you also have a closet with plenty of shelves, an extra blanket, a safe, some drawers, hangers, and ironing board and iron. We have a room here with a pool slash beach view, which is beautiful. The balcony is very interesting here, where you have a little Juliet balcony here, which is very small. But if you walk around the side, you have your full-fledged balcony that's off the living room. And here's the view. Every night here at the Embassy Suites, they give everybody these little tickets, and that allows you 2 free drinks per guest at the bar in the lobby area. Now, those 2 drinks, they have a specialty drink that they create, and then also you can have Balashi beer or chill beer, which are local beers here to Aruba. So last night we invited some friends of ours, locals here from Aruba. You might know them. There's Hyro from the channel Let's Go with Hyro, and also Marlene from the channel Travel Ducci here in Aruba. We tried out a couple of our Canadian snacks that we love and we brought with us here. It was kind of funny. We got them to choose their favorites. Check it out. Okay, we're here with Hyro and Marlene from Let's Go with Hyro and Travel Duchy, both on YouTube. Check them both out. Let me know what you think.
Okay,
truthfully,
come on, this one.
Dill pickle.
Yeah,
That's her
definitely.
favorite.
That's really good.
The buttery urban garlic.
I have
I'm
not.
gonna try it.
Okay, go ahead.
This one I love too.
The smooth cheddar ranch.
Cheddar. Oh. Also good.
Do you feel it comes in a little bit later, that cheddar?
Yeah, I love it too. Yeah.
This one's good too.
Oh, so,
Are we saving the best for last? But you know, it is a spicy. Just pick from here.
Okay, it's spicy but not too much.
now think of it with a nice beer on the side. There we go. See?
What do you think?
No, I love it.
It pairs up perfectly.
I love it. Did you hear that? She loves it.
So you can have a charcuterie board and just have this, you know, complemented with all these different flavors. Twigs is the way to go.
Here's the problem. Only available in Canada right now. But you know what? We'll send you a care package. We'll send you a care package. We'll send you a couple.
This is still my winner.
Yeah.
Dill pickle. Dill pickle. Okay. We'll get you a case.
What was the number 2?
Let's talk about breakfast. So here at the Embassy Suites, breakfast is included. It's a buffet style. So they have the typical offerings like scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage. They have a make your own omelet station where they cook it all for you, typical at most resorts. They also have something I really like where you pour your own juice and pop and coffee, but here's a tip: bring your own large container, refillable container. I saw a lot of people doing this where they're taking the actual juice or pop or water and filling it up from there in the morning. This way it's all free, it's all included. Breakfast buffet is open here from 7 till 10 Monday to Friday, and then from 7 till 10:30 on Saturdays and Sundays.
Hey Nick, welcome to the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Aruba.
Have you guys checked around this lobby here? It's absolutely fantastic. The air conditioning is really nice as well. So outside from the pool area, let's head into the doors and check out the gym. Washers and dryers are available for guests to use. You do have to purchase tokens to use both. A key card is required to tap to push the floor that you need to go to. Hey guys, we are Nick and Viv from Perpato with Envy. We thank you for watching. Please like,
Share.
and subscribe.
We'll see you on the next video.